How to get an AWeber free trial. This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to get this AWeber free trial. So as you can see, I'm on one of the main AWeber pages right here. They don't make it very clear that this is in fact a free trial, but first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. If you click on my link, you'll find yourself on this page or a very similar page, depending on how AWeber change their pages over time. So what you're going to do to get this free trial is you will click on sign up today, this big orange button right here, and then this will load the checkout, and within seconds you can see that this is in fact a 14-day free trial. So you get 14 days for free, and then you will only be charged per month from after that 14-day period, which from this date is June 25th, 2026. So there's the prices in GBP. You can check them out in USD. You can change some of your options right here, but this is essentially how you get the free trial. You will need to put your card information or your banking information in here through this Stripe checkout form. You can use Apple Pay, OneLink, whatever other options you have on your system, but plenty of payment methods. That is how to get that free trial. You're not paying anything today, you are only paying it after 14 days. And importantly, you can cancel at any time. So, I mean, maybe this platform isn't for you. Maybe it is. You don't know until you get that free trial. Check out that 14-day free trial. See if AWeber is the right tool for you. If it is, you can stick around and get a paid plan. If not, it's fine. There's no risk to you. You can cancel your subscription at any time in that 14-day trial period. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.